My preliminary task front cover and contents page looks okay, but it doesn't look as advanced and creative as my main task. And this is because I had overcome different types of technologies to create multiple designs and put more creativity in my main task. I have also learnt the codes and conventions of a music magazine, which I clearly didn't know by looking at my preliminary task, because you can see that things are missing and it doesn't look as realistic. As you can see, I haven't thought about where I should be positioning the text and images, because I had no lines on Photoshop to guide me like I did whilst making my main task, as you can see here. I also haven't thought the image because it was just taken there and then and didn't use much props like I had done in my main task, as you can see. I have learnt how and where to position things in a magazine front cover and contents page, and also that you have to put a lot of thought and effort into it in order to get what you want. But in the preliminary task I didn't think about much, I just did it straight away. This is my contents page that I had made for my preliminary task, and as you can clearly see, I have improved on making contents pages. I have learnt how to get text in line with each other, where the masthead and images and headings should be in order to make it look effective and realistic. Here is my contents page, and this is my main task contents page. You can tell the difference in both of these. For example, the lining of images and text and fonts and the sizes that they should be. I really understand how a magazine should look like because of the improvements made, as you can see. I also didn't use a magazine to guide me while I was making the contents page, whereas in my main task I did use one, and this is why it had given me a more realistic result. Overall, comparing my preliminary task with my main task, there is a huge difference because I have learnt loads of different technologies and ways to make magazines look realistic, and also what they include, and also by putting more thought into my main task and learning about the codes and conventions of a music magazine helped a lot in the process of making it. And I have progressed a lot, as you can see through the difference between my preliminary task and main task. What I would do better next time would be to be more organised and have everything prepped and done beforehand in order to save time and get things done quickly. Also to use Real Magazine for inspiration all the time, because at the start I didn't use it and so I wasn't starting off very well. I would also make sure that I get constant feedback from my tutors and make sure that I am doing the right thing, because I was making my double page spread about fashion, and because of me not getting it checked properly made me go into this error. So next time I will be more careful on the aim of the project and make sure that everything goes well and is consistent.